Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. We are starting our next lesson. We will study the next alphabet letters. So our next letter is Za. This is a light one. Tip of tongue touches edge of lower two teeth and lightly touch upper teeth. Some people mix Za and Zal. So the letter Zal is different. It is just like Z. So we will call it Za, 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 Za. The next letter is Seen, 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 Seen. Top of tongue touches edge of lower two teeth, but vowel sound comes. Seen, Seen. Sheen, Sheen. The middle part of tongue touches upper part of your mouth. Is like Jim, same is Sheen, like she. Sheen, Sheen, Sheen. Next is the bold letter Sod, Sod, Sod. Sod, Sod. It is heavy letter and a bold letter. The sound it makes will remain in mouth, not spelled out. Sod, Sod. Tip of tongue edge of the lower two teeth touch. While reading Sod, tip of the tongue touch edge of the lower two teeth. Sound of letter remains inside the mouth. It is a bold one and a heavy letter. Next is Dod, Dod, Dod. It is a bold letter and a heavy letter. And the sound is filling in the mouth. Some people mixing it with dot. It is not dot. It is wrong. It is dot, dot. So front part of the tongue touches to the gums and molar and premolar. Right and left side of the mouth. Tip of tongue touches upper back side of gums and molar and premolar of mouth. Next is Thaw, Thaw, Thaw. It is a bold letter, a heavy letter, and tip of tongue touches back side of gums. Next is zo, 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 zo. Heavy letter is like sa, but in this tip of tongue touches upper front two teeth. Next is oin, 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 oin. Its sounds comes middle part of throat. Oin, oin, oin. The next is ghoin, ghoin. Total letter, heavy letter is ha. Ghoin, ghoin, ghoin. Upper back part of the throat. Fa, fa, fa. This is fa, fa, fa. So repeat with me. Z, 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 z. Seen, seen, seen. Sheen, sheen, sheen. Sword, sword, sword. Dot, dot, dot. Twa, 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 twa. Zo, 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 zo. Ain, ain, ain. Ghoin, ghoin, ghoin. Fa, 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 fa. So remember all these letters and with proper pronunciation. Take care. We will meet next class, inshallah.